Australia. Endemic animals. Number 1. Wallaby. Wallabies are smaller than kangaroos, but they're just as powerful. Most species stand under 3 feet, 90 centimeters tall. They love forests and rocky areas, unlike many kangaroos that prefer open grasslands. Baby wallabies are called joeys and spend about 8 months growing safely inside their mother's pouch. Wallabies can leap over 6 feet, 2 meters, high, and cover impressive distances with their strong hind legs. Many wallabies are most active at dawn, dusk, or night, helping them avoid predators and the hot Australian sun. They're herbivores, feeding on grass, leaves, bark, and shrubs. Most wallaby species live in Australia, while a few can also be found in nearby islands like New Guinea. Their powerful tails help them balance while hopping and even support them when sitting. Wallabies can't walk backward, just like kangaroos, because of their powerful legs and long tails. They have excellent eyesight and hearing, helping them detect predators from far away. Rock wallabies have rough and grippy feet that let them climb steep cliffs with incredible agility. Wallabies can survive with very little water, getting much of the moisture they need from plants. Number 2. Tasmanian Devil. The Tasmanian devil is the world's largest carnivorous marsupial, one of the strongest bite forces relative to its body size of any mammal. Despite its fierce reputation, it mostly eats dead animals, making it nature's cleanup crew. Tasmanian devils can eat almost every part of their prey, including bones, fur, and organs. Their loud screeches and growls are used to intimidate rivals during feeding. They are found only on the island of Tasmania, Australia. A contagious cancer called devil facial tumor disease has drastically reduced their wild population. Conservation programs are helping protect and rebuild Tasmanian devil populations. They can run up to 24 kilometers h, 15 minutes over short distances. The Tasmanian devil may look terrifying, but it's a vital part of Australia's ecosystem and an incredible survivor. Tasmanian devils can open their jaws nearly 80 degrees, allowing them to crush thick bones with ease. Their powerful sense of smell lets them detect food from over 1 kilometer away, or 0.6-mile Tasmanian devil can eat up to 40% of its body weight in one meal. Scientists are breeding disease-resistant Tasmanian devils to help save the species from extinction. Number 3. Koala. Koalas are not bears. They're marsupials, just like kangaroos. And wombats eat almost nothing but eucalyptus leaves, which are poisonous to most animals. Koalas sleep 18 to 22 hours a day to conserve energy. A koala can eat up to 500 grams, or 1 pound, of eucalyptus leaves daily. Baby koalas are called joeys. A newborn joey is about the size of a jelly bean. Joeys stay inside their mother's pouch for about 6 months. Koalas spend most of their lives in trees. Koalas have 2 thumbs on each front paw for gripping branches. Their fingerprints are so similar to humans that they can confuse forensic experts. Koalas have an excellent sense of smell to choose the safest eucalyptus leaves. Koalas rarely drink water because they get most of their moisture from leaves. Koalas are mostly active at night. Male koalas make deep bellowing calls that can be heard over a kilometer away. Koalas have one of the smallest brain-to-body ratios among mammals. Koalas can climb surprisingly fast when necessary. Wild koalas are found only in Australia. Despite looking sleepy and cuddly, koalas are strong climbers, perfectly adapted to life in the treetops. Koalas are one of Australia's most recognizable wildlife symbols. Number 4. Quokka. Quokkas are often called the world's happiest animals because of their adorable smile. They are small marsupials, meaning they carry their babies in a pouch. Quokkas are native to Western Australia. Most wild quokkas live on Rottnest Island. An adult quokka grows to about the size of a domestic cat. They can weigh between 2.5 and 5 kilograms, 5.5 to 11 pounds. Quokkas are herbivores and eat grasses, leaves, and shrubs. They are mostly active at night to avoid the hot Australian sun. Quokkas can climb small trees and bushes to reach food. They store fat in their tails as an energy reserve. Quokkas can survive for long periods without drinking water. They get most of their moisture from the plants they eat. Their scientific name is Cetonix brachyurus. Baby quokkas are called joey status, in its mother's pouch for about 6 months. Number 5. Emu Bird. The emu is the second largest bird in the world, after the ostrich. Emu are native to Australia and live across most of the continent. Although they have wings, emus cannot fly. An emu can run at speeds of up to 50 km/h, 31 mph. Their long, powerful legs help them escape predators. Emus have 3 toes on each foot, unlike ostriches, which have 2. Emus are omnivores, eating plants, seeds, fruits, flowers, and insects. They can travel long distances in search of food and water. Emu feathers are double-shafted, helping protect them from Australia's heat. Their feathers also provide insulation during cold nights. Female emus lay large dark green eggs. Male emus incubate the eggs for about 56 days. During incubation, males eat and drink very little. After hatching, the father raises and protects the chicks alone. Emus usually form pairs during the breeding season. The emu appears on the Australian coat of arms, alongside the kangaroo. Emus can live 10 to 20 years in the wild, and even longer in captivity. There is only one living species of emu today. Emus are among Australia's most iconic animals, admired for their speed, resilience, and unique parenting behavior. Number 6. Wombat. Wombats are the largest burrowing marsupials in the world. Wombats produce cube-shaped poop, helping it stay in place on rocks and logs. They are mostly nocturnal, becoming active after sunset. A wombat's burrow can stretch over 100 feet, 30 meters, long. Their powerful legs and sharp claws make them expert diggers. Wombats have a hard, bony rear end that protects them from predators. They can use their tough backside to block the entrance of their burrow. Their teeth never stop growing, just like a rodent's. Wombats are strict herbivores, feeding on grasses, roots, bark, and shrubs. They have an extremely slow metabolism, allowing them to survive on little food. Wombats can take up to 14 days to digest a single meal. They need very little water and can survive in dry environments. Wombats are found only in Australia. There are 3 living species of wombats. Adult wombats can weigh 22 to 35 kilograms, 44 to 77 pounds. They usually grow to about 1 meter, 3 feet. In length, wombats are generally solitary animals. They often build several burrows within their territory. A wombat's average lifespan is about 15 years in the wild. Number 7. Echidna. Echidnas are one of only 5 living mammals that lay eggs. They belong to a rare group of mammals called monotremes. Their closest living relative is the platypus. Echidnas are covered in sharp spines mixed with coarse fur. They have no teeth and grind food using hardened pads in their mouths. Their sticky tongue can extend up to 18 centimeters, 7 inches. An echidna's tongue can flick in and out around 100 times per minute. They mainly eat ants, termites, and insect larvae. Echidnas use their powerful claws to dig into termite mounds. They can sense the tiny electrical signals produced by their prey. Their long snout contains special electroreceptors for detecting food. Echidnas have an incredibly slow metabolism, helping to survive harsh conditions. Echidnas are found across Australia and New Guinea. There are 4 species of echidnas alive today. The short-beaked echidna is the most widespread species. Long-beaked echidnas have longer snouts and mainly live in New Guinea. Fossil evidence suggests the ancestors of echidnas have existed for millions of years.